I'm Lewis.
And I'm Alex.
And we are
Bust2Built. If you haven't watched any of our videos yet, what you'll find is Lewis grinding bolts,
Alex getting bolts stuck,
and a whole lot of mess as we dismantle a Land Rover Defender 110 TD5.
as well as repeated attempts at behaving like humans should on camera.
Our first series on YouTube will bring you along our journey as we turn our complete rust bucket of a shop truck
To a shiny, robust and reliable vehicle that we need it to be.
We'll also be repairing this and selling it for parts that we need for the Defender.
And once the Defender's done, we'll be looking for our next project. We have an MX-5 engine sitting in the garage which we have no idea what to put it in. If you have any ideas, then please stick them in the comments below.
And if any of that interests you, please do hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you can find our videos to date on our channel.